Today we're going to make some really cute gifts for our teachers for Christmas. So I've been working towards this for a couple months now, just pouring different jewelry trays, making different earrings, because I have a total of 8 gifts that I have to make because there's also teachers' aids in the class that I gift as well. So I'm going to show you what I put into the teacher gifts since we've been talking about them as I make them. So I have 2 different types of jewelry trays. There was a feather jewelry tray and a big one. And then I have some candy cane Reese's Pieces, and here's some tarts that I made. It's cranberry apple. They're soy wax. I accidentally forgot to take the price tag off because it's from my stock, so I went ahead and took that off. Also, the brown bag, I got 10 of those at Dollar General for almost $4, so it was like $3.65 or something like that, close to that. So you can get 10 of those for rather cheap if you're needing to gift quite a few people. So here's some soap I also took from my stock. It's Apricot Grove. It smells delicious. It's natural soap. So I am going to add that into the bag. These are all things I made except for the candy cane Reese's Pieces. And then some of the ornaments, you'll remember these. We made these recently specifically to give to the teachers. And I put one of those in the bag. And then here's some of the most recent earrings we made. If you want to know how to make those, you can get on my channel. There'll be some of the most recent videos on there. And these were also more recent and during our Christmas earrings, those snowmen. So if you want to know where I got these drawstring bags, I will put the link to those in my description. So if you want to get them, you can get a big pack of those. And they last for a long time. And I've been using them for a while now and still haven't run out. And I love them. They're perfect to keep your earrings from getting damaged and pulled on when you put them in a gift. So I also got this tissue paper. I got a red pack for $1 and a green pack for $1. And that was enough to use for all of these gifts. Put a red one and a green one in each one. So here's some of the things I added. These are some of the most recent earrings on my channel. They're really easy to make and they were a lot of fun. So if you want to learn how to make those, you can get on my channel and look for those. They're really pretty. And they also have a Christmas vibe because they're red and green and gold, which is what I was going for. But you can also wear them throughout the year, which is perfect. So there's a good look at those. And then we also put some of the Jingle Bell ones we made recently. It has a little Jingle Bell on them. And those I didn't make with resin, but it comes in a kit that you buy on Amazon. And I'll link that in the description as well. So if you're looking for gifts for teachers, this is the perfect way to do it. Here's another of the feather trays that's pink and gold, which I thought turned out really pretty. I'm trying to put it back in the bag with one hand. So this is a great way, and the teachers always love it. And you know, it's heartfelt because they're handmade. So this is what the bag looks like on outside, and then I made a total of 8 of them. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Tell me if you have to do teacher gifts and what you're planning on getting them in the comments, please, because it helps my videos reach more. Thank you. Bye.